Great.
Hello, my name is Deepthi Thilan. What is your name?
I am Samyak Shah.
And yours?
I am Ananya Pasil.
So your names are Samyak Shah with the serial number 1A and Ananya Pasil with the serial number 1B. Samyak, what do you like about your school?
The school emphasizes on the all-round development of children and also tries to inculcate traditional Indian values.
And what about you, Ananya?
I like the competitive nature of the school, which makes all of us excel in our respective fields.
Okay, do you have a hobby?
Yes.
Tell me about it.
I love to swim and to play badminton because this provides me an opportunity to reduce stress and have some physical activity.
And what about you, Ananya?
I like to read books. Some of the books that I have read are Harry Potter series, the Twilight series, and I am currently reading Tank.
Okay, fine. Now, Samya, you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, Ananya will ask you a question and then I'll ask you some more questions. So, would you like to begin, please?
Vibrant hues on the sky, local support, and beautiful sceneries. These are the three phrases commonly used to describe Andaman and Nicobar Island, the upcoming tourist destination. The capital, Port Blair, is situated far away from the bustling noise of the city, in a mode of tranquility. This place also has a great historical significance. The place offers great local cuisine in the form of tropical classic dishes. For the adventure enthusiast, activities like sailing, parasailing and scuba diving are offered. This place is the correct example for the great Indian beauty of the nature. Why go to a foreign land when there is so much to explore in India? Just soak into the exotic colors of this beautiful place and enjoy yourself.
Thank you. Now, Ananya, can you ask him a question, please?
Yes, you spoke about adventurous activities, but I wanted to ask you, are there some special attractions in Andaman and Nicobar Islands for the aged people?
Yes, if the aged people are interested to see wildlife, there are few national parks which they can visit. Also, the place is very calm and peaceful, so they can just sit on the beach and enjoy the chirping of the birds and splashing of the waves.
Okay, thank you. Now, Samya, why is tourism your favorite topic?
Because tourism provides us an opportunity to link to different people and understand the culture of a place.
Okay, thank you. Now, Ananya, you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, Samya will ask you a question and then I will ask you some more questions. So, would you like to begin, please?
Yes. So I am going to speak about science in the future, and more specifically I shall be enlightening you about a very interesting field over there that is at the frontiers of technology, and that is aviation. Aviation is said to be a proof that given the will and the grit, you can do anything. So a very new thing that has come in aviation, that is drones. They are aerial, unmanned flying objects that serve various purposes. For example, in the Mahakumbh, 100 million pilgrims will be visiting Ujjain. Who will take care of traffic congestion? Well, here drones are at our service. If you are lost in an uninhabited area and you want to food, or you want the police, you want security, who will help you? Again, it is the drones. Then, if you are a wildlife enthusiast and want to know about the one-horned rhinos in the Kaziranga forest, who will tell you? It is again our dear drones. So, from delivering pizzas in Parel to drugs in Dhanbad, drones will serve every purpose in the modern world.
Okay, thank you. Samya, can you ask her a question, please?
Ananya, do you think that the usage of drones is feasible for a common man?
Yes, I agree. For example, I gave you the example of pizzas being delivered in Parel. That is advantage for the common man.
Okay, Ananya, what kind of career do you prefer and why?
I would like to have a career in aviation. It has a lot of scope, like I told you about drones, but apart from that we have airplanes also.
Okay, thank you. Now let's go to the next task. I am going to give you a card which is information about the problem. I will now read out the information for you once. I would like you to read it too and then discuss together how you are going to solve the problem. Here is your problem. Your friend spends all his free time watching TV. With your partner, discuss what problems can this lead to. How can he be encouraged to take up more productive activities?
It is a common problem seen in today's children that they watch a lot of television, and this can be harmful for their eyes and weaken their eyesight.
I completely agree with you that this is a totally useless pastime which the youth has taken, and it is often referred to as watching the idiot box. It makes the mind dull and wastes your creativity. So we should encourage him to play indoor games like chess or Scrabble that will make him more intelligent and creative.
Yes, I agree to this point, but we should also recommend him some outdoor activities so that he stays fit and is able to take in some fresh air.
Yeah, that's right. Like we say that a healthy mind lies in a healthy body. So maybe sports like badminton or swimming may help.
And also we can include parents in this strategy so that they can help in changing the child's future.
That's true. He might like it if his role models also help him in making his future bright.
Fine. Samya, do you think it would be a good idea to set a time limit for watching TV?
Yes, it would be a great idea, and also the channels could be restricted to the knowledge channels and the sports channel so that he gains knowledge from whatever he sees on television.
Okay. Ananya, can you tell me how difficult do you think it would be to make your friend understand this?
At first, it will be, of course, very difficult for us, but we are his friends and his well-wishers, so we must try to make him a better person.
Fine. When can television be regarded as a whole?
Many a times, like for example during natural calamities, when the government wants to give orders to citizens to use certain roadways and not, their television is very useful because it is found in almost every household.
Okay. Would it be a good idea to involve his parents in this matter and what?
Yes, parents would surely help in this matter because they would understand the strategy, and the parents would are the role model of the child, so the child would be very happy that the parents are indulging in making him a better person in the life.
Okay. Please stop there. That is the end of the test. Thank you and goodbye.